Hello viewers, finally I have bought iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi version under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. This is not from Flipkart, not from Amazon, but from Apple authorized reseller store. In this video, I will unbox this product and also share the details how I get this device under 30,000 rupees with offers and cashback. As this product was bought from Apple Store, I have already made the unboxing, yet I will give you another unboxing experience so that you can understand what else is there inside this box. First of all, you will get in wrappers the iPad 10th generation. This is how you can peel off the coating. There are 4 colors, out of which I have purchased the blue color. It looks very good. Keep it aside for a moment. Inside this there is a booklet. Inside this you will get the documentation and also some stickers. You will get a type C to type C braided cable. The quality of the cable is excellent. Plus the good thing is that you will get a 20-watt fast charger along with this packaging. On the top of the tablet you will find 2 speaker grill. One is active and fingerprint scanner. At the bottom also you will get 2 speaker grill, one is active and there is a type C port. Now let me power on the device. The look of the tablet is very good. It is a 10.9-inch non-laminated display. There is a gap between the main glass and the touch panel. So if you notice closely you can notice that difference also. But this is not a deal breaker. The quality of the display seems to be okay and it is a 60 Hz panel, so you will feel the sluggishness while scrolling through apps. First boot up, it was about 48 GB available storage for the 64 GB version. This is a Wi-Fi model. There are lots of apps that you don't actually want, so if you don't want those apps you can uninstall these apps. After the removal of these apps, if you don't want them, will increase the internal storage of your iPad. Let me show you that I am deleting or removing this app stocks which I don't need in iPad. In this way you can remove all these apps which is not necessary for you. True Tone display actually works fine on this display also. You can use it. One thing you should keep in mind that this is not an HDR certified display, so if you play HDR videos on YouTube, it will not play HDR videos as this display doesn't support HDR content. Let me show you that there is no HDR option in YouTube, but the quality seems to be very good. However, it is not as good as S series tablets of Samsung. Then I checked the display on Amazon Prime also. In Amazon Prime, I can see that the color reproduction is excellent. However, it is not as good as Samsung S9 FE or S9 FE Plus or Tab S7 FE because I personally liked the display of Samsung. The color seems to be little bit faded in Apple products. This tablet comes with 12 megapixel of rear camera and 12 megapixel selfie shooter. This video footage has been taken from iPad 10th generation and you can see the quality is excellent. You can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS. Out of the box, this tablet is running on iPadOS 17.3.1. Already there is an update. I have not updated it to the latest version. I will do so. You can see here iPad 17.5.1 update is available here and it is a big update. So if you want to know about the latest update of iPad, stay subscribed. iPad 10th generation has lots of features. You can use multi-window and many apps simultaneously. Also, the iPad comes with A14 Bionic chipset which is very powerful. If you slide through the left, it will take screenshot and then you can edit your screenshot if you want to. Then if you slide through the right, it will open Notes app. You can write down notes here. Though I have not bought the iPencil yet, I will buy a third party and give review of that pencil also. Now talking about how I get this device under 30,000 rupees, the original price has come down to 34,900 rupees at the Apple's authorized reseller shop. I applied student discount. With college students ID you will get 6% flat discount, so the effective price comes down to 32,806 rupees. After that I applied SBI credit card offer, that is 3,000 rupees, and then the effective price comes down to 29,806 rupees. And after purchasing this device I got 165 rupees of points. So the final offer that I got is 29,641 rupees, and I think this is a great buy because I am getting this product from Apple original authorized reseller shop. This is not from a third party seller. So if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation, I will suggest you to buy it from Apple original reseller shop, because you will get genuine products plus you will get current products. This product is made in March 2024, so this is a latest model that I have got. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment sections below, and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. In the coming videos, I will make a comparison between Tab S9 FE and iPad 10th generation. So if you want to see that video, stay subscribed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.